Good evening, everyone. I'm Leo, and today is 2016, September the 10th. So actually, I'm going to recording this video for the next 2 weeks because we know that the USA will announce the rate decision on the September the 22nd morning in Asia time zone. So I think this video will cover until after the decision released because no one will know the result. Okay, so but before this video begin, let's do the regular thing I always doing, showing you all the links for my profile like TradingView, Facebook, Twitter, and the YouTube webinar. These are for Chinese friends, and this is for English speaking friends for the Skype one, the free group here, and for the class and the for the class and the student group. It's a one package. You can add my QQ, personal QQ, or you can let me know through any place. Okay, any of this place you can Facebook Messenger me, or TradingView talk to me, or Twitter talk to me. Okay, let me know you're interested in my class. My August class is a start for registration. It's a 1.6K for the training and the lifetime free student group. Okay. So we can start. So back to the trading. Let's check about the DXY first. For the DXY, this is the daily chart first. This is the daily chart, and you can see this is Friday, yesterday, Thursday, Wednesday. This is Tuesday, Monday. Okay, this Tuesday big job is due to the ISM data, the non-manufacturing ISM data, and these two are the market is still hesitating and trying to retesting this uptrend channel. You can see it testing again. I'm already testing 4 times, more than 4 times actually. 1 time, second time, first time, second time, this third time. If you treat this as 1 time, okay, this is the 4th time. Okay, so unluckily, DXY did not break down below this uptrend channel. Okay, and now because of the hawkish speech given by the US officers, then the DXY jump again. But take note that this jump actually did not have a new high, and they even did not break this so-called resistance scale, which is 95.55. Okay, and even it's breaking, it has to break another resistance, which is this yellow zone. You see also get a resistance many times scale. The exact number is 96.55. Okay, so the Friday, although the DXY, the US dollar is very strong and did not break to stand above this 95.55, and it's a 0.618 retracement from this job. Okay, so actually from now we know that above we at least have 3 resistance for DXY to go higher. First one is this one, second one is this one, and third one is this upside channel, the ceiling. Okay, this uptrend channel ceiling. So after the DXY can break all these 3, it may go higher to challenge the 100. Okay, but actually you can see there are so many resistance here. Okay, so and it's more near to downside. Okay, because downside now only have 1 resistance, although you can see it's really very strong here. So we don't know, because today and I think after September, the past 1 week, we know that the USA data and the speech given by US officers sometimes are good, sometimes are bad. So that's why making the DXY up and down a lot. Okay, now you should focus on more this downtrend. Uptrend, this bottom uptrend line, okay, and all these 3 resistance. So my own preference is the September one. US will not increase the interest rate, So I'm expecting that DXY will drop break this uptrend. Okay, the reason is if you look higher, if you look into a big picture like this, okay, do not focus on any specific line. Okay, you can see that this line already been testing many times, but it has not going higher to challenge the 100. Okay, never challenges this one. Okay, and it's still trying to retesting. It's already 4 times bounce up. So if it's coming down again, my preference is I'm not thinking this uptrend will hold the price anymore. Okay, the space is squeezing. It's squeezing now. Okay, now the price is squeezing within the area from 96.55 between 95. Okay, it's squeezing between this area. Actually, it's a triangle. If you drag this line longer, okay, this triangle. So either way, it breaks down, we do the breakdown trending. If it breaks up, then we do the breakout trending. Okay, but my own preference is I'm expecting the DXY will break down. No matter how high it go, if it's still remaining with this uptrend channel, it will come down. Okay, so if let's say my so-called expectation is correct, okay, if let's say my expectation is correct, that means for today, for the next Monday until the September the 22nd, the DXY, no matter how it goes up, goes down, but the big trend is it will break down due to the US government will not increase the interest rate. Then for the other currency pairs, I think it's easy for us to do some setup. Okay, this is only my own expectation. Not saying 100% it will come down. Okay, it may also go up if they really increase. Okay, so for example, let's see some example. Maybe we can see the AUD USD, some forex. Okay, AUD USD actually come to a zone that I was interested previously, but now we don't know whether it will go down or go up. Depends on the DXY performance. Okay, because we know sometimes during these recent weeks, the data and the speech given by US government sometimes are conflicting to each other, sometimes are aligned to each other. Okay, so it all depends, and this job is crazy. Okay, this job is very crazy. But you can see this blue zone actually have a good resistance here. So if anyone, even the students in my student group, sell from high, okay, from here at least you have to take some profit from your shop, okay, and trying to see if the price can stand within this zone, okay, no longer dropping anymore. Then from here you can long. But take note that actually AUD USD also facing the same situation as the DXY, because here is also a big triangle. If I drag this long enough, you can see the triangle. See it? Okay. So, but this, because it's daily chart, so actually if you long from here to the ceiling of this downtrend line, actually the space is also very good for you to get enough profit. Okay. So my recommendation is until next Monday to the from next Monday to the September the 22nd, we do some intraday trading. Okay, do some intraday trading, because I think it's very hard to get a real good long-term trading for most of the forex and the metal. Okay, but take note that, as I always mention and emphasize many times in previous videos, that AUD USD very long term is uptrend. Okay, it's obvious it's uptrend. Previously, downtrend is crazy. Now it's building a very good bottom, and now it's going up. Then the uptrend target for TP1 actually is the 0.8. Okay, this is a TP1. That means in the long run, I foresee the AUD will break this downtrend line. Okay, we'll go higher. Okay, clear? But if you are doing the intraday or short-term or mid-term trading, as I propose to you, we do some intraday trading before the US announce the interest decision on this September. Okay. This is the AUD USD, and let's see about Europe. Okay, EUR USD. Okay, this is the idea I published just the Friday night. I think, I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me check. It's published on Friday night. Let me see if it's this one. Okay, this is published yesterday. It's last night. You see, it's 1 day ago. So last night when I come home, I say, hey, we can sell from here. Just sell from here, okay? And TP1, TP2, TP3 already highlight. Then we see what happened. I say short, then it breaks down, then bounce up a little bit. Okay, actually it hit our TP1 and almost TP2. Okay, but what's next? What's next is actually this TP3 may not hit there. Okay, may not hit there. And last week you can see if I drag a very simple Fibonacci retracement here, you can see the TP2 actually is just nicely hit the 0.618, and it really goes there. Okay, it really goes there and stops and the bounce up again. Okay, and here if I put a very simple line here, okay, check the close price. Okay, check the close price. Focus on this black line here. The close price actually is standing on some good resistance here. Okay, so my proposal to you is if next week, if you are still holding the short, you can keep it because we already take some profit on TP1. So for TP2 and TP3, depending on market, because we don't know what the market will react to the USD dollar on Monday. And then here you can see if you really want to long the EUR USD during the intraday trading, then the best position for you to long when is here 0.618 and the one is after TP3. But TP3 it may not hit. Please remember. Okay. Then let's go to the metal like gold. Okay, for gold, I think. Oh, maybe I go to another gold one. For gold, that is a similar situation. Previously, it's due to the bad non-farm data, then it's a bounce up very high. But you can see on daily chart here is the downtrend line here. That's why it cannot go up anymore. Then it comes down. Okay, but to me, actually, if you focus on this big uptrend here, seems like it's already retesting. This big trend line. Okay, then what do to me is trying to find a direction. But before the so-called the US announced the interest rate, I don't think it will come down, break this uptrend line. Okay, it will not break. The more possible scenario is trying to break up. Okay, to challenge the previous high, which is 1371. Okay, this is the more possible scenario. Okay, then you find one interesting is last week it also hits the 0.5 place. Okay, 0.5 place, but pay attention, it's already 1327.51, but it may go down further. Then find a good position. Then the idea for you, because our student group we all short from high, then we still holding. So we want to check on Monday because currently we really don't know what will happen. So we check on Monday. What will be the reaction to the market? Okay, if the gold stop dropping anymore, we will try to long. Okay. Also, same intraday trading within this area, this zone, you can see there's a big triangle. Okay. So the 1300 actually is a big resistance. Okay. I don't think it will be broken. I don't think it will be broken before the interest decision made by USA. Okay. So you can do the so-called range trading, intraday trading between this big area. The profit is also very good. Okay, hope this helps you to make some money in this changeable market, especially on this month. Okay, so let me check. Okay, for oil, All you can see is this green zone. Actually, it's activated many times ago here. Okay, this is the idea I published many times ago. I think it's 1 month ago. It hits many times, also got good resistance here. Here also retest and go down again. Then last Thursday, it's trying to get up due to the very good EIA data, but finally it drops down and close below this green zone. Then Friday, I think due to the USA data regarding the oil, their platform, okay, that's why it's dropping like crazily. But pay attention again is, you see, maybe daily chart cannot see clearly. I changed to 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart here is a uptrend line, okay, and you can see here the low is making a higher low, okay, it's making a higher low. So I treat this as a pullback, although here has a good resistance. So what you should do is, if you want to long from this uptrend line, okay, then your TP1 should around this green zone, okay. If you short from here, also got good reason, okay, but pay attention, the oil is like a gold now, it's in an uptrend. If you see a big picture, that's really making uptrend, and it's like a shoulder, header, shoulder, okay. So it's trying to go up. So in the long run, it may break this downtrend line, like the AUD USD I just mentioned to you, okay. So I prefer to long from oil from low when it hit this blue line, okay. I will check the price action and determine whether I will get in or not, okay. So this is my idea. And for stock, okay, stock. Previously, you can see the SPX 500 is always increasing. I mean, leveraging higher and higher, making a high. And I think in the previous video, I told you that I was short at the top. Okay, I was shorting at the top. And I showed that trading record to my students and to my free chatting groups also. And you can see after many times, it's finally dropping crazily, okay? And this line, this arrow is drawn many times ago when I published the idea. This width shape also drawn many times, I think a few days ago, okay? Then it comes to the area I arrowed before. It's around 2,121. Now it's 2,123. So to me, why I draw this line, I predict it may come here because this one is a good support here. So on Monday or Tuesday, I will check if this level can get good support. If it can get good support, I may long again. Okay, I may long again. Maybe I long as a pullback, then I short again. Okay, you can see here here is a good support previously. Support 1, support 2, but this support is broken. So I may long from here to get a profit until here as TP1. Then I check if it will go up. If not go up, I will short again. Okay. I do this is because as I say, the market is changeable due to some data or due to some speech by anyone, especially before the interest rate decision. That's why I prefer to do lesser long-term trading, because now the market actually can change in very fast speed. Okay, just due to one word said by someone, or just due to one data released by someone, because market now is more sensitive to it as the data is coming soon. Okay, the decision is coming soon. So I prefer to do intraday trading for the next 2 weeks. Okay, so that's my plan. Okay, I shared it with you. You can check if it works for you or not. And for the DAX thing, I also shared with my team that I also shared with the team that I shot from the high is a 10800, then it's dropping. Okay, maybe this so-called harmonic should draw like this. Okay, it's dropping, but where to go down? We don't know. Based on this harmonic, yes, it will go down, but now seems like it's get a good support from here. Okay, pay attention to this zone. If the market can break down this zone, this line, okay, which is a 10530, 7, okay, it means it may go down further until this deep, okay. If not, it may bounce back just like the SPX, okay. I hope this helps you to do some good trading here. Okay, finally, I want to share with you one thing is AUD, NZD. I shared with you, I think, in the last video. Okay, this is a daily chart. Actually, it really have some good uptrend, so-called bounce up, okay. But finally, it's still dropping. Okay. But don't worry. Here is a good thing I want to share with you. I'm thinking this so-called AUD USD is making a bottom. It's really making a bottom here. Okay. It's really making a bottom here. And by making like a cup, okay, maybe let's make a cup, okay. So it may need a long time to do consolidation and making a lower low, but the speed will become lower and lower and lower, like a curve. The curve should be like this. So for AUD USD, if you want to trade it, two options. One option is long. It's worthwhile for you to long. The second option is do not trade it. Okay, so only two options for AUD USD, and it's already almost approaching the historical lowest point. Okay, so for me, I will monitor this further and trying to get a good position to get in to long it. Okay, and pay attention. That's the big reason for it's dropping so crazily is one of the reason is for AUD and NZD now their interest rate is a little bit different. AUD USD now is so-called the interest rate is lower than NZD USD. Then for the institution and the banks will sell AUD USD and buy NZD USD, just want to get the interest. Okay, this is the so-called carry trade done by the institution and the big banks. That's why due to some of this trading carried by these so-called big players, that's why it's dropping crazily, but it's already approaching the so-called lowest point. So actually I'm thinking it may reverse soon. Okay, it may reverse soon, not only because of the interest rate anymore, because I think many people will realize they have to focus on the basic economy of the AUD and the NZD. Okay, not only based on the interest rate. Okay, hope this explained to you. Okay, so that's all for the some of the highlights for the next 2 weeks. So for next week, I will not give any video. So because the market is changeable as I like. So I always wish you can win money no matter in long-term trade or short-term or intraday trade. Okay, but honestly speaking, I'm more good at long-term trading. So now I'm forced to do some intraday trading due to the changeable market because some of the good long-term setup is missing or is not there. Okay, we cannot see a clear direction. Okay, so finally, still sharing some links here. If anyone want to join any of my groups here or any of my free groups here, or you want to register my class, for class you can add my personal QQ, or you can try to find me on any of these links here. Okay, anyway, if you find me, I'm welcome you anytime. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.